Dear students, today we will learn disadvantages of divisional structure. So there are various disadvantages of divisional structure. So we can see more resources required and product focused department and conflict and increase in cost. So first of all, we will discuss about more resources required. See, each department will require all the resources as every division will be working as an independent unit. And after that, product focus department. Each department focuses on their product only and they fail to keep themselves as a part of one common organization. Then conflict. Conflict may arise among department on allocation of resources. When there will be distribution of fund, so uh, there may be conflict between the departments. Increase in cost. It may lead to increase in cost due to duplication of activities, providing each division with separate set of similar functions increase expenditure. When there will be increasement of different departments, automatically the expenses will increase. So when expenses will increase, then automatically cost will also increase. So these were few disadvantages of divisional structures. Now come to suitability. Organizations producing multi-product or different line of products can use this particular structure, and organization which require product specialization, such organization may also use divisional structure, and organizational which require each division to be self-contained as under divisional structure. Each department has production, sale, financial department, etc. And growing companies which plan to add more line of product in future can also adopt such divisional structure. Now after suitability will come to difference between functional and divisional structure. So this time always remember one thing. See, you will be having question regarding difference. So in that question there will be points of difference also. So suppose first point of difference is basis of formation. So in functional structure, this structure is formed on the basis of function, and whereas divisional structure is formed on the basis of product. Next is accountability and responsibility. Functional structure. In functional structure, it is difficult to make accountable as departments are interdependent. And whereas in divisional structure, it is easy to fix the accountability as departments work independently. And next is economic cost. In functional structure, it is economical, and whereas in divisional structure, it is not very economical because all the resources are required in different departments. Now, next basis of difference is development of managers. In functional structure, less chances as managers become specialized in one function only. And in divisional structure, more chances as managers perform multi-functions. And next basis of difference is specialization. And this type of means functional structure. Uh, this type of structure brings functional specialization, and whereas in divisional structure, it brings product specialization. Now, next basis of difference is coordination, and compared to divisional, less when company is producing more products, and better coordination because all the activities related to one product are in one department only. So these were few bases of difference. So just prepare these differences also for your examination purpose. Okay.